try to simplify the language and try to get more people into the healthcare field, because it's definitely needed. Doctors are overworked, they're stressed out, from my observation, and the administration of healthcare systems is becoming more and more complicated. And in the system of racism, you can expect that, because one of the first things that a racist will do is complicate everything. Take simple things and make them complicated. Or any person who is setting out to dominate other people. If you set out to dominate or do harm to other people and you want to do it in a smooth, sophisticated manner, one of the first things you want to do is make things complicated. Take simple things and make them complicated. If you want to dominate people and mistreat people on a grand scale for a long period of time, with a minimum of problems, you will do that by making simple things complicated for the people that you intend to mistreat and dominate. So you take everything that's real simple, you look at it and study it and try to figure out a way to make it more complicated than it already is. And then you put that out there to the people that you're trying to dominate and mistreat. And then you become the controlling factor, because you are the person who made the simple things complicated. And so that would be in the field of law, particularly. That's one of the first fields. And healthcare. And you can do it in religion. You can do it in every area of activity. Economics. And one major way of doing this is by manipulating how language is used and coming up with all type of words that are unnecessary. Rather than say 1 and 1 is 2, find some complicated way to say that, so that it takes 3 months for a person to even learn what you're talking about. You don't get that. I mean, you take a bunch of first graders, if you really want to, you can claim that you're a mathematician and say that you're going to teach them math. So right there in the first grade, without explaining anything, as soon as they take their seats for the first time and pick up their little pencils out of the pencil box and whatnot, you throw out leg of hypotenuse. All right, let's go with it. And they all look at each other, and what you have done, for the next 30 minutes maybe, is throw out a whole bunch of words, none of it connected with anything, nothing explained in detail.